Yeah.
I mean, it's very fluid. It's almost too fast to keep up with.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I just learned about Angelina County in the last hour and a half. So there you go. I mean, here's the map. Anderson, Cherokee, Rusk, Panola County, most of our deep East Texas counties are now under that burn ban. That includes Trinity County, Neil, Houston County as well, Angelina, Sabine, as we just named. And here's the reason why. We ended August great. We started out September great with the rain. But since then, not so much. You can see some very dry patches there in deep East Texas. We've been under by about 2 to 3 inches over the last 30 days. Of course, that is a historical average that the statisticians take into account just to see how much rain we typically have for that time period. Now, here are your temperatures right now. We don't have any clouds in the area or anything like that, but we do have those temps that are in the low to middle 80s. Marshall has actually already fallen to 78. It's 85 in Henderson. We're at 84 in Nacogdoches. So for tonight, we will fall to 58, mostly clear skies and cool, but we rebound kind of like we've been rebounding here over the last week or so. Plenty of sunshine, not being impeded by that cloud cover. We'll be at a nice 88 degrees with plenty of sunshine. Of course, that should trend a little warmer than what we've seen over the last couple of days. And above average as well. Our average high temperature is about 84 for this time of year. As we move into the middle part of October, that's when we will start to see those average high temperatures fall into the upper 70s. It's pretty nice, isn't it, right? 73 by Halloween, and then as we go into November and the Thanksgiving time frame, November 15th, that average high is 68. We also see our first freeze around that time frame, and then 63 by the end of November, which kind of sounds cold right now, folks, given how warm it is outside. Here's live Viper radar, a couple of showers with the remnants of Hurricane Ian for parts of the northeast, and also further out to the west, I'm tracking 2 storm systems, one in the Dakotas and also one off the screen there in parts of Arizona. There's also a front. You can see those showers and thunderstorms along the front. That will be arriving for us as we move into Friday, which could temporarily drop our temperatures, but since we are so dry, we're really not going to see much in the way of rainfall. 40 to 70% chance that this area of disturbed weather to the east of the Lesser Antilles develops into something. I do think it's going to develop into another named storm in the Caribbean, but the effects to the U.S. kind of not known at this point. And over the next 6 to 10 days, there are trends that like to bring rain, some rain into West Texas. Some of that may make it into East Texas, but again, that would be valid for the middle to late part of next week. Now, those high temperatures in the meantime should remain in the 80s, but a couple of the long-range models are showing temperatures a little cooler than that. So stay tuned for more information on what we could see as far as those temperatures go. But regardless, it does look like we will be above average to start out next week. Here are the next 7 days. Lots of sunshine for your Wednesday. We'll hit 90 degrees Thursday, 87 Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We are in the lower 80s, middle to upper 80s Monday and Tuesday. Those low temperatures should remain in the 50s and 60s. Deep East Texas, pretty comfortable over the next several days. A little warm Thursday. That's our low 90 on the screen. 88 Friday and then 85 Sunday, 86 Monday, 88 Tuesday. After that, it becomes a little more of a question mark. Neil, Casey?